Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this video quickly show you technical question as well as possible answer. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, simply ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you and let's move to the question. Question is HDMI with Sony Unsupported Signal. How solve this problem? Let's move to this solution. Connect your laptop to the TV. There are two ways. Go to the control panel, then to display, then select project to a second screen, and finally select project to second screen only. At your desktop screen, do to the right mouse click and select screen resolution from the menu. Then on the multiple display bracket select show desktop only on 2. This is the second screen which should be your TV. So in this way you solve your problem of this question. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question related to this problem, simply ask me in comment section. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.